Hello everyone. Which technology is the best for professionals from financial, accounting, banking, and the related background? At SQL school, we do get certain calls, inquiries from various participants on different kinds of questions pertaining to career planning, resume, or the kind of next level professional IT related queries. Which is the best to choose for the people from financial background? This is Sai Panindra from SQL School with over 18 years of expertise completely on Microsoft and database related technologies, promising, assuring, continuing trusted live services technically in terms of trainings and projects technically completely practical. Let's get into the point. Which technology is the best for financial professionals? Answer: data analyst. Before that, what is data? What is database? Data: you log into your bank account. Yes, as a financial analyst, you have been day to day working on Excel, CSV, spreadsheets, web pages, or web data, etc. Where is this data stored? At the end of the day, yes, database would be a true reliable platform compared to traditional spreadsheets, compared to traditional Excel or any other data platform. Database always wins the match. Fully secured, easily organized, and well planned for faster access. Yes, any amount of data, terabytes of data, we can happily, easily filter, analyze at pinpoint. That's the power of database. To work with database, we need a software called DBMS, Database Management System, a software to store, secure, and manage databases. Example: DBMS, SQL Server, IBM DB2, MySQL, Oracle, Sybase, so on. Now the question, where to start with? Yes, we need to start with something called SQL, a platform to communicate with any database for talking to the database, reading, writing, managing, reporting, analysis, etc. For financial, accounting, banking, and related background, data analyst is a preferred job option, next level to your current working profession. The reason why data analyst: number one, limited or no coding. Yes, limited and no coding activities. Limited to no coding, two different options available there. Number two, easy to use. And number three, it's an advanced Excel kind of platform. Yes, you have been working on Excel some way or the other, then data analyst would be the next job role. The career path for the financial and accounting platform participants: for entry level and associate level, go for Power BI for now, and later consider your profile to be given to business analyst data or business analyst job role or business analyst data profile role. Entry level, associate level professionals go for the first plan, first path. If in case you're into lead, manager, good amount of experience, then go for data analytics, and then big data analytics cloud, Azure, Microsoft Cloud, that has good amount of rich analytics, deep learning, projections, forecasts, and so on. To make it clear, here is the learning path. Get into Microsoft SQL Server TSQL module first. integrate Excel with that SQL Server skill set. So back to Excel, then leap forward to Power BI. And from step 3, you step into your resume, profile building, get hands-on, real-time experience for few years, and then upgrade yourself to either Tableau or data in your job role to ensure better job prospects in the long run. At SQL School, we assure you complete practice orientation. The recommended job profile oriented course for you from this entire catalog is 1 and 6 for the participants from financial and accounting background. That is Power BI Plan B, a 7 weeks course, Monday to Friday. And after 7 weeks, you would be given a project work. You'll work on the project, you'll try, and then get our solution back with a complete resume and guidance, including interview related activities. We assure you complete practice orientation from the scratch, concept wise FAQs, concept wise interview questions, scenario based questions, project, interview, errors, common errors, solutions, making you literally job ready. Yes, we want you to thank us from your job desk. We want your colleagues to join our next batches. I need it. This is Sai Fanindra from SQL School, and I would be the caretaker, I would be the trainer from our school for SQL and Power BI data analyst job role. See you soon in our live demo class. We have live demos. Almost every week we'll be having a new batch for various schedules, various courses. You may refer to website sqlschool.com, or you can also ping me on WhatsApp on this number. Glad to address your technical clarifications, if any, to benefit our career in the long run. Thank you. Wish you all the very, very best. Thank you. Thank you so much for hearing me for last few minutes. Thank you so much. Have a nice time. Thank you once again.